Hi everyone, Mountain Grandma here. Thank you for coming to our channel. Today I will be water glassing eggs as part of #MayItLast23 collaboration hosted by the Budget Preppers. Now you'll see here what you need are the eggs, the water, and you need the pickling lime. In this bowl I have 2 quarts of not distilled but filtered water. And I've filled up this gallon jug with eggs that are pulled clean from the coop, so you want them fresh, and you want them to not have any mud or anything on them, but don't rinse them off. Now I've added to the water, you'll see here, 2 ounces of pickling lime. So I just did that right on my scale, and then I'm going to go ahead and stir that up. And you've got to mix it really well. And on the eggs, I do want to share, it was probably about 36 eggs that fit into this jar. And sometimes I pull out a larger one and put a smaller one in there just to try to get more eggs in there. You want to try to put those in there pointed size down. And it gets a little challenging for that bottom row. You can see like towards the bottom, a little harder to do that, but have them directed downwards if you can. You'll see I did that there. So you're going to continue mixing that up, and then that's really all you need. Now I found that these 2 quarts of water with the 2 ounces of pickling lime added was enough to fill up this jar, and you'll see that here as I pour it in there. It's going to fill it right up to the top. And then you go ahead and put a lid on it. Once you have these stored, these will keep for, I've heard, 9 months to a year. And the pickling lime does tend to settle every now and then. I give them a little spin, but they're supposed to keep for 9 months. And that's all there is to it, guys. This is not hard. So I hope everyone will try this. Go check out the rest of the videos at the #MayItLast23 hashtag and the Budget Preppers. They have a playlist there that you can go and check out what everybody's put in. Thanks so much for joining us. I'll see you on the next one, y'all. Keep your joy.